Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Basics. Today I'm going to guide you on how to log into your Bright Health account on your website. So, what is Bright Health? Bright Health is an insurance company that focuses on providing affordable and personalized healthcare options through partnerships with healthcare providers and technology-driven solutions. Now let's get started. Open your web browser and navigate to Bright Health website. You can do this by typing Bright Health Login. Now click on User Login. After that, you will be directed to login page of Bright Health. Make sure you already have an account to Bright Health login. If you have an account, enter your username and password, then click on Login. Bright Health login page also provides you to recover your username and password in case you have forgotten it. And that's it. Follow these simple steps and successfully log into Bright Health account. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.